Are you curious about future careers in artificial intelligence? This video is for you. The landscape of AI jobs is changing rapidly. By end of 2025, AI will impact around 60% of jobs globally. Don't worry, though, this isn't all doom and gloom. While many associate AI with data science and coding, we'll explore diverse and exciting roles. You don't need a tech background to thrive. Throughout this video, we'll uncover unique career paths transforming the job market and share stories of individuals making their mark. Let's dive into the AI job market and explore roles you may not have considered. First, companies are automating routine tasks, affecting office roles, HR, and engineering jobs. But here's the silver lining: millions of new jobs will arise. Positions in product management, ethics, operations, and even creative fields will grow. In Q1 2025, over 35,000 AI-related jobs were available in the US. Salaries average around $157,000. So, what types of careers can you expect? Let's break it down into unique roles beyond data science. First up, AI product managers. They bridge tech and business. Not coding all day, but understanding customer needs is crucial. Imagine designing an AI-powered language app. Product managers decide what features to build and ensure users love the product. Next, we have AI project managers who coordinate teams. Their day involves turning business needs into technical goals and solving project roadblocks. If you thrive at connecting people, this could be your fit. Moving on, AI ethics careers are vital. With growing AI power, companies need ethical guidance. AI ethicists ensure fairness and comply with global regulations. If you have a background in law or public policy, this role may interest you. Another emerging area is AI operations. These specialists ensure AI tools effectively function in the real world. Positions include AI operations manager and automation strategist. If you enjoy managing change and processes, this is a great choice. Now, let's explore creative and human-centric AI roles. AI content creators are in high demand. They leverage AI tools for writing, art, and video editing. Prompt engineers craft instructions that guide AI models, enhancing creativity. Think of a prompt engineer developing prompts for catchy ads or engaging content. Their work requires creativity and curiosity, not coding expertise. AI trainers play a pivotal role too. They help AI learn by labeling data and providing feedback. Human-in-the-loop specialists ensure AI outputs remain accurate and relevant. If you're detail-oriented, this may appeal to you. Next, AI business development connects cutting-edge tech with real-world needs. Specialists identify AI opportunities and pitch solutions. They need to explain complex AI solutions to non-technical clients. With the rise of AI, the startup ecosystem is booming. Founders are launching innovative companies across industries. If you have a passion for entrepreneurship, this space is wide open. Now let's discuss some specialized roles. UX, UI designers create user-friendly interfaces for AI products. Their work ensures these tools are intuitive and engaging. Legal experts are also essential. With rapid AI advancements, AI legal advisors and IP specialists are needed to navigate compliance and protect intellectual property. As AI integrates into daily life, educators and community managers are crucial. They teach AI literacy and manage online communities, fostering public understanding. So, how do you prepare for a career in AI? Begin by upskilling. Explore online courses in AI literacy, ethics, and product management. Many do not require coding skills. Focus on blending technical knowledge with interpersonal skills like creativity and communication. Next, adopt a growth mindset. Being adaptable and proactive is vital in the AI era. The ability to learn and pivot as technology evolves is essential. Finally, network and engage with the community. Join AI forums, attend conferences, and connect with professionals on platforms like LinkedIn. Learning from others opens doors to new opportunities. The future of work is creative and human-centered, and will continue seeing AI help elevate various fields beyond tech.